Hello again. Right, so the last time we implemented the fallback mechanism for the image carousel in blog post for reverting back to or falling back to PNG images if WebP is not supported by the browser, right? So this time I'm planning to implement the same behavior for the homepage. So I've taken a look at the project card component in here, and it's really simple stuff. I just provided it with an image link, and it really just grabs wherever the image is and just shows it. And I think we can still do the same thing. It's just going to look a bit more complicated because we're going to use React hooks. So I'm going to start by copying this and pasting it to here, but instead of having an array, we're just going to have an image link, and then let me change all of these things again. This is going to be just a string. It's going to be empty. Well, it's not going to like this because, yeah, obviously, what should we say? Yeah, let's change it to let's just do image and set image. Yeah, this way we don't share the same name with image link because image link is also used in here. Ooh, okay. You know what? There's a better way of doing this. Let's revert all of these things back. Let me rename this to not image link, but relative image link. Let's go to the home component. This needs to be relative image link now. So let's find all of the occurrences of this one. Yeah, it's only in project card, right? Yeah, so let's make this relative image link. And also, yeah, that one. That's an image experience. We don't care about that one right now. Let's make this relative image link. Cool. Do we have any others in the home page? Project card, relative image link. Yeah, that's right. Okay, I think, yeah, that's it. Let me just make sure everything still works. Well, everything doesn't work. So this is null, which means it's not supplied in from here. Relative image link, let me go in. Oh, no, this is not what I meant to do. Okay, that should fix it. Relative image link. This is going to be relative image link, relative image link. And if you go back to the website, the images should be visible now. Cool, nothing's broken, cool. There's one warning though. Component is, oh, this is for Lottie. Yeah, we don't care about that right now. All right, cool. Let's close Photoshop. We don't need it for this stream. So I was going to copy and paste this part, right? Yeah. So we're not going to have an array because we have only one single image to load. We're just going to have the link of the image. So we're going to have double quotes only. We're not going to say image loaded. We're going to say image link. And we're going to do set image link. And we don't have this. Instead of that, we only have a single image, and we can dynamically import it, and then when it's imported we can just set state. We don't need this, and we're just going to put the image link in here. We don't need that or that. We can just do this. Image file name. What's the image file name? We don't know yet. We do need a relative image link, which is, yeah, we'll figure that one out. Okay, so you're gonna put this in, let me see. We're gonna put that in here, but we need a $sign. Cool. Okay, and we need this thing. Right, why is this complaining now? Set image loaded. Okay, set image link. That's why. And we don't have these dependencies. We only have a dependency on relative image link. Clean everything up. And it's just going to complain that it's not used. To fix that, we need to do what we did in image carousel. We need this logic. So if it's loaded, just return us with an image, which we could do. So in here, I'm going to open up a JavaScript tag or whatever this is called. I'm not sure. We're going to do image link, not length. I don't want to have an image. Okay, let me try this. No, yeah, that could be an initial state, right? Oh yeah, that's very true. This should be loaded link. Okay, that's a terrible name, but whatever. Image link. If this is here, then we're gonna return this thing, paste it in. If it's not there, we're just gonna return null and then wait until the component is loaded. Yep, for auto format works now. And then in here, we're gonna put image link only. That's what we did in image carousel, right? Yeah, that's what we did. Okay, that should work. And now we have to supply this with a relative image link, which is what we get from the JSON file, I assume. So if we take a look at contacts, no, which one is it? Ongoing? No, just let's just start with projects, right? Title, image, alt, text, blog post. Oh, so this is how I supply image links, right? This is going to change. Instead of supplying just the name in here, I'm going to supply it with the relative link of the image, and that should fix all of our problems. Yeah, okay, let's see how we can do that. So in image carousel, where's image carousel? Yeah, there. You have this part. Okay, that should help. And where's image carousel? Image carousel is right next to okay, so they have the same path. Okay, image carousel is next to project card, which means in this JSON file, if we did that, so up one data, and under data, under projects, images, instead of blog, you're going to have projects and Q notes. That should work on the first try. Alright, maybe not. That was not a good idea. Oh, that's because I haven't specified for these ones, right? Is that why? And also I have to do the same thing for ongoing projects. So where's this JSON? Ongoing projects, there. Let me put it down there. All right, null that WebP. Oh, it's because I haven't changed the home component. Home component is still mapping file names to ID. We don't need this anymore. We don't need to specify the folder. We can just do this, and it's automatically gonna get all of these things for us, which is which is much better than what we had before. It's cleaner. It's probably gonna be faster. I haven't benchmarked it yet, but we'll see. All right, let's try. Cannot find module, data, images, projects, qnode.webp. Okay, that means we're getting the string, which is okay. Data, images, projects, qnode.webp. Am I trying to import it as a module or something? Well, all of the image names are right there, which is promising, right? Maybe I'm forgetting something. Let's take a look at image carousel again. Okay. So in image carousel, what do we have? So this is how we get them. And inside there, we just put the image relative link. Fair, that's fine. And then we do the image extension. So what do we do in project card? Well, we can close these two now. We put the relative link, which is data, images, something, something, and then, yeah, the images are there, right? Yes, they are. And then we put qnode, something, yeah, and then image extension should be WebP. Yeah, okay, let's try this. Loaded link. Let me see what's under this link. Okay, these components are in the same area, right? The image carousel and project card are in the same space, and blog and folder. Okay, so we go up one. Up one is components, and then from here we go under data, and then we go to images, and then instead of blog, do we go to data, images, and then we go under projects, and then in here we have IP Manager, Photosite, qnodes. Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's absolutely right. So what are we missing in here? What is causing the issue? Hard to say, hard to say. Okay, let's try getting rid of this for now. It's going to complain that these things are not being used, which is fine. But we're going to get a website without images now, right? Yes, that's fine. And then if we add this back, it starts throwing errors. Why? Okay, let's see what the error is again. Cannot find module. Are we trying to import a module? I don't think we're trying to import a module, are we? Cannot find module. That's very odd. That's really odd. So we have image relative link, image extension. I thought this was going to be simple, but turns out no, not really. Dynamically importing stuff is never easy, is it? Like async tasks, it's always a problem. Loaded link, yeah, it set the image. Is this because this is a string or something? No. What's happening? What's this? Okay, Dropbox is trying to do something. I'll let it do it. Okay, it probably updated itself. It's not even running, but fine. The things that run in the background without my knowledge on this laptop. Cannot find module, cannot WebP. This part doesn't make sense really. Let me try this. Let me start Googling stuff, right? That's how you solve problems. That still doesn't make sense to me though. Okay, what if we don't load the image but run this code instead? What just like, right, let's not load the image. Okay, issues caused by this part. What if we don't set the states? Still getting the error. That means the error is coming from here. What if we just get rid of, let's put this on the next line, comment these out. What if we get rid of the import? I mean, what if we just do the import? That's what breaks it, right? Yes. So we can't do this import, and we have to understand why now. Let's try printing out this bit. One sec. I'm doing a stream, but you can come in, I guess. Yes. I'm doing a stream. You're on camera if you want to, or you can just message me if you wish, or you can say hi. Hey, this is my housemate. He's on stream right now. I'm not sure where he's coming from. It's like 11.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to optimize my website. Trying to implement a WebP to PNG fallback strategy on unsupported browsers. Does that make sense? Right now?
Yes.
Yes.
Sounds
Okay.
a bit boring now.
All right.
Good luck. Good luck.
Thank you. Are you gonna sleep in like half an hour, or are you gonna stay awake? Did you want to chat about something?
Dunno.
No?
Maybe.
Okay. Yeah, I'll find you. Bye. I like my housemates. I'm not sure he was. He must have had some fun. I don't know. Oh, he forgot his phone. That's all right. Yeah, let's continue. All right, where were we? So we were just logging this, right? Yeah. What if we just ignore the import as well, and just what if we log this? Yeah, so it's logging data, images, projects, q0.webp, which is what we wanted. And I'm going to go back to image carousel now, and I'm going to make it do the same thing. We are going to make it, we're going to make it log this thing, and I'm going to compare them, and I'm going to see the similarities and differences, and I'm going to try and understand why it can't import this. What? No, that's not what I want. All right. Right. Why is this happening? Is it because... Well, image file name is just going to be what? Just q0 probably. Okay, let's see what this returns us. Yeah. Go to blog, select one of them. So it does data, images, blog, q0 WebP. And if you go back to the original website again, data, images, projects, personal website.webp. It's what we wanted, right? It literally is the same thing. Let me see again, but data, images, projects. It starts with 2 dots. Yeah, it's data, images, blog, something, something. Is it because of this relative link? I don't think so. That shouldn't make it. Oh, I shouldn't have closed it. That shouldn't make a difference, does it? Okay, let's stop modifying image carousel. Let's not touch this because we know that it's not broken. What's broken is this part. Let me verify the image path again. So inspect, console, data images projects, up one from the component, data images projects, right. What if the relative image link is broken? What if that's the problem? Alright, let's try that. Okay, we know that this is not broken. Let's clean everything again. And let's try to put something silly in there. Module not found, cannot resolve ASDF. Yes, that's expected. No. Right, it doesn't even complain now. Something else has went wrong. I still feel like this is related with how we go up one directory and then start like try to go down one more. Can we do something else, like go to project card here again, and instead of importing this thing, what if we do what if we import ourselves? What if we try to import our own file? What does that do? Cannot resolve. Documents, development, my website, source components. Now trust me, it's there. What if you put a forward slash in there? Does that help? You attempted to import which falls outside the source directory. Relative imports are not supported. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. So what if we do this? And then what if we log that? Yeah, what's in there? And then we go up one, and then we go to like what? Data images projects slash qnode.webp. What does this do? It breaks the website. It cannot convert object to primitive value. Yeah, that's expected. Default. Did I really forget to add default in there? Is that why? That's why. So I wasted 20 minutes because you know what? In the previous stream as well, I've lost like 40 minutes because I didn't include this, and I still did the same mistake. I'm just angry at myself right now. Why? And so if I just add default to here, is it just gonna fix it? Is it just gonna fix itself? Is that it? Is it that simple? Okay, it's not that simple. It's not that simple. It's not that simple. Okay, I'm like, thank you. It's not that simple. Right, okay. Okay, let's console.log this. Data, images, projects, qnode, and then also, so we should see qnode's image everywhere, which is fine. And I'm also gonna print and I'm also going to print this. Let's see what this prints. Okay, so that's the difference. I see. But what are we doing differently? Because the other ones, they... Oh, alright. Okay. So that's the... Okay. Oh, this is so complicated. Let's open these side by side. Let me see everything more clearly. Right. So it's data, images, projects, something.webp, and then what if we print this one as well? Let's remove this, refresh. These two are the same things, right? They are. Is this happening just because you can't concatenate strings this way? I'm kind of lost. Okay, let me try this once more. But this time I'm gonna put 2 dots in here and a /, and I'm gonna get rid of all the 2 dots and / in there. No. And let's see, let's open ongoing projects.json as well. Let's see what this does. It still brings us the error, which we shouldn't have had. Is it because I forgot to remove the map file to something function in here? So this is our first project card. That's the other one, and both of them are using relative image links. So that's not the issue. But just for now, let's comment this out. Yeah, let's see what this does. All right, it's not printing anything. Is it because it was printing something before, right? So if I comment this and back in, and if I comment, no, and if I comment this part out, what happens now? Why do I get the web page now, and why are the images loaded? I just realized the reason why I lost 20 minutes. This is ongoing projects. It says projects in here, right? Right? And then if you go back to the data directory and then go to images, here's ongoing projects, here's projects, here's ongoing projects, here's projects. This is why you should not copy and paste code, because it just made me lose almost half an hour. It happens to the best of us. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, it's been a long week. It's been a very long week. Alright, I'm glad that we fixed the issue though. That didn't make any sense to me. Like, everything was literally the same as before, but then... So that means I can add my 2 dots. Okay, come on. Alright, I can add these back in, right? And where's ongoing projects? I can add that to here, and also here now. And then in the project card, you can remove these 2, those ones. And let's refresh the website. What? Why are you back again? What did I do to you, mate? Ongoing projects, ongoing projects, ongoing projects. You know what? Let's remove the dots again. There's something seriously wrong here that I do not understand, but I'll get there. I'll just... Okay. No. No. Yeah. Cannot find Marmara.WebP. I can take a look at that. Ongoing projects. Oh yeah, there is no WebP for this one. This is only an SVG. We need a fallback strategy for this, right? If this is not available, then... Oh, that's bad. Yeah, it's not gonna find it, so we need to have some sort of mechanism to catch SVG images, because this is going to be an issue for all SVGs in the website. And I'm not going to convert this to PNG because it's just going to take more space. I'd rather just have the code in there rather than... Okay, this is a solution that we can think about now. How do we approach this problem? How do we differentiate between PNGs and SVGs now? So we can choose between SVGs and PNGs and WebPs, but how do you detect if this is an SVG? Okay. Oof. I can have a retry mechanism in here, or I can put all of the links in there. Like, I can specify this is an SVG, and if it's an SVG in there, if it ends with an SVG, just disregard the image extension. That could be a strategy. What else could we use? Yeah, I think that's fine for now. SVG. And And instead of this, we can call a function. If it ends with SVG, then just don't add the image extension to it. Yeah, that's a very good idea, for now at least. So you're gonna have export constant function get relative. Right. We're gonna have an equals there as well. Cool. What are we gonna have? You have the image link. If image link. Okay, let me Google something. How to check string ends with JavaScript. I just want to find the best way to do this. Oh, there's an ends with method. How do you use this? str ends with. Okay, yeah, that's easy enough. So ends with dot svg, then else return image link plus image extension. Why is this complaining? Maybe not. Oh yeah, that's of course. Yeah, of course. Yeah, sorry. Most of the time this is going to be the case, right? So let me do that, and let me put this outside, and I'm going to put that one in here. Branch optimization, guys. Branch optimization is important. Get image link with extension. Yeah. So we don't need this. We're going to call okay, this is one of those areas that's probably going to go away on its own. Yeah, so let's, okay, parsing error, unexpected token. Yeah, let's take a look. Okay, maybe not. Right, let's go back to the website. Did that fix it? Cannot find module. Oof, that's terrible. What? Wait, what? Oh, we were just getting the function as a string. We forgot to call it. Right, we're going to call this with relative image link. Perfect, absolutely perfect. Okay, that's just great. It works as I expected it to work, and now we can get rid of this thing. And and then we can add it back. Okay. Why are you back now? Data images projects q.webp. This is not nice, you know. This is not nice at all. We can get rid of this one and that one. We're not using them anymore. I don't know why that's there. Who cares? We'll fix it later. I'm just gonna leave it. This is fine for now. And I'm just gonna detect that item. I'm gonna say take that. This is a 2-story pointer. Get rid of // in dynamic image imports. Maybe there's a way to retrieve relative path at runtime, right? Maybe. Yeah, maybe there's a way to retrieve relative path at runtime, so we'll take care of that later. Now the last thing I want to do, so we're using the PNGs in here, right? Okay, and we also need to implement the same thing for skills. So there's skill.jsx, well, not that one, skill card. What was it called? Is it called a skill card? Project card, and then there's the skill, and then, oh yeah, image experience, that's it. And we're gonna pretty much do the same thing for this one as well. It's gonna be much easier because we're gonna copy this and just paste it over. So in here, we're gonna put it there. Well, let's just first rename it to relative image. Do a refactor. This out. Okay, on the home page, let's rename it as well. You know what? That's not the right strategy. I shouldn't be changing this. I should be changing the other one. Okay, let me change the other one really quickly. This is not image link. Okay, let's change this. Let me check if everything's right. What's the problem? Oh yeah, okay, we'll fix that. And that's expected. Okay. All right, that's gone. And image experience. Everything is as what it was before. Just copy this part, paste it in there. Yeah, this is literally it, and we're gonna do this in here. Well, let's clean this up. We're gonna do relative image link. What is this? What is this? Is it like that in there as well? What is that? Okay, If relative image link is there, just put that in, and then if it's not, then just do nothing. Is this clean? No, there's something wrong. Perfect. That's how it should be, I assume. Okay, now we're going to fix the JSON. You're going to do what we did in here, but this time I'm not going to forget to change the directory names, right? Right? What is the directory name for these ones? Images, personal skills. Okay, now back to home page, map file. We don't need this, we don't need that. We don't need this function anymore. Did it crash? Folders is not defined. Where? Home.jsx folders. Yeah. Okay, what's this? Okay, we forgot to call the image extension thing, maybe. I don't think so, but like, oh, go away. No, just, yeah. It's missing the file name extension. That's the problem. Image experience. Get image link with extension. Yeah, and the function is not working anymore. So it gets the right image. Let me print what this gets us. Okay, I'm probably putting the wrong thing. No. Oh yeah, yeah, this is why. So that should fix that. All right. Let's see the space savings and let's verify everything in Safari, and then after that we can do a deployment. Let's try the production version. What? are you saying, mate? What are you saying? Get image link with extensions not defined. You sure? Huh? You've just defined it. Project card, where's the module there? I'm almost sure that it's defined. What are you doing? And also I'm gonna do an npm start. The website runs fine in here. Oh yeah, we can take care of that one as well. Let me do that. I'm not gonna let these be the opposite way. Okay. Let's do another build. Okay, it's serving now. This is 5,000. That's very interesting. Why are we only getting it on the project card, by the way? It should be defined. I don't know why it's complaining. We might have encountered our first React compiler bug. This is not the problematic part, right? Let's focus on the problematic one. Yeah. Let's see what this does. It's so strange. We have to have this in here rather than inlining it. Okay, if that's how it's going to be, we can do that. I wonder if I can put this in an external file and then just import that file to avoid code duplication. But that's very interesting, right? You have to have your function inside in there, but like you can't. I don't know. Okay, we'll figure it out. I don't know why this happens though. Like you can't inline functions and import them. Oh, fine. It works. We literally uninlined a variable, and then it just magically worked. All right. Okay. Fine. Whatever. Okay. Let's see the space savings. So 2.4 megs. 2.2. Well, the image is different each time, but like you're getting 2.1, 2.2, 2.2, something like that. But let's take a look in Safari. We should be getting like 3 megs in Safari still. No, less than like 2.8 something. We resized the maps image, right? But yeah, it looks good on Safari. The fallback mechanism should be in place. Cache is disabled. Let me remove everything. Yeah, we're constantly getting 3-ish megs on Safari. So we managed to save quite a lot of space on Google Chrome, but then Safari is still using PNGs. I would call that a success. Sorry. Very good. Time to do a deployment. Let me see all of the files. Yeah, this is expected stuff. Yeah. Yeah, and also our tech debt item is there, as you can see. I'm gonna get rid of the dot /. Why is this complaining though? Anyway, who knows? Yeah, so I'm gonna get rid of the / in there, and maybe I can extract these into a tool function or something. I'm not sure if you can extract hooks, but I'll explore the option. This is JavaScript, you can pretty much do anything, right? Give me the link. Yeah, we have the link now, and then well, we can do a pull request now. To master can't automatically merge. Don't worry, you can. I wonder why. Yeah, that's not good. Why are we getting conflicts though? That's the thing that I don't understand. Oh, come on. I don't want to do this in here. Come on, no. This is messy. Oh. This is something I can take care of offline. I hate when this happens. You know what? I can take care of this offline. I should keep the stream under an hour. All right. Thanks for joining, everyone, and goodbye.